Hello everyone, welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and just listen. Today's story is a little different. No big success story, no big failure, just a simple day. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 12. Today's story is called The Coffee Shop Experiment. Let's begin. On a quiet Saturday morning, Lucas walked into a small coffee shop. It was not very crowded. Soft music was playing. People were sitting quietly. Some working, some talking, some just staring at their phones. Lucas ordered a coffee and sat near the window. He opened his laptop, but didn't start working. Instead, he just looked around. There was something interesting. Everyone was busy, but no one looked happy. A man in a suit, typing fast, but looking stressed. A girl with headphones, scrolling endlessly. Two friends sitting together, but both on their phones. Lucas smiled slightly. Then he thought, what if I try something different today? He closed his laptop, put his phone aside, and made a small decision. For the next 1 hour, he would just observe and talk to real people. Not online, real conversations. After a few minutes he stood up and walked to the counter. The barista was making coffee. Lucas said, "Hey, how's your day going?" The barista looked surprised, then smiled. "Pretty good, just busy." A simple answer, but a real one. Lucas nodded. "Same here," he said, and walked back. It felt different. A small conversation, but it felt more real than hours of texting. After some time, an old man sat near him. Silence for a few minutes. Then Lucas said, "Nice weather today, right?" The old man smiled. "Yes. Reminds me of my younger days." And just like that, a conversation started. Stories, memories, laughter. Time passed. Lucas didn't check his phone once. Not even once. After an hour, he sat back quietly, thinking. Nothing big happened. No life-changing moment. No success. No failure. Just real conversations. Real smiles. Real moments. As he walked out of the coffee shop, he noticed something. He felt lighter, calmer, more present. That night he checked his phone. Dozens of messages, notifications, updates. But for the first time, they didn't feel important. Because he had experienced something else. Something simple, but powerful. And maybe that is the point of this story. Not every change in life comes from a big decision. Sometimes, it comes from a small experiment. A different choice. 1 hour without distractions. One real conversation. One moment of awareness. And suddenly you see life differently. So maybe you can try it too. Not for a day, not forever. Just for 1 hour. No phone, no scrolling, just real life, and see what happens. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 12 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.